Andito na sila. Hello! It's time for class! Where is Ben? Ben? Where is Bobby? Bobby, where is Bobby? Okay. Welcome to 5-1 Talk. Again, this is your teacher, Jem Eileen. Alright. Ben and Bobby, are you ready? Okay. Yes, of course you are ready. Yeah? Alright. Again, are you ready, Ben and Bobby? Okay, so if you are ready, you need to listen and look at teacher, okay? So now let's move on to the next page. Okay, but before that, we're going to sing a hello song, okay? So sing with me in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
On to the next page, okay? So here, Ben and Bobby, we have this Anna. Okay, let's read. Anna and Timmy. Okay, so we have here Anna and Timmy. So that is the title of our lesson for today. Alright, so now let's move on to the next page. Okay, so this one, we're going to review what we have learned from our lessons. Okay, so let's take a look on these letters. Alright, so what is this letter again? This is small A. Okay, can I take a look on the two of you? Say small A. Small A. Let me see you. Okay, do it one more time. It's small A. Okay. Very good. Now let's move on to the next page. Look. Tell me what is in the picture. Alright, so this one is, can you guess? Can you guess what is this letter? Is it big A or small A? Okay, can you touch the box? Wow, that is big A. How about the next? Alright, how about the next picture? What is this? Small A next. Okay, this one. How about this? How about the third one? Alright, let me check.
Okay, yeah, hey, that's perfect. I'm giving you your pizza here. All right. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next page. All right. Here. Okay, so here, look and say. All right. So you have to say it aloud. All right, so let's do it now. What is this? Big A. Good. All right, perfect. Yay. Next one. Who is in the picture? Anna. Okay, say it again. Anna. Great. That's perfect. Yay. Alright, so now let's move on. How about this? Who is in the picture? Alex. Alright. Say it again. Alex. Okay, say it aloud. Alex. Yay, very good. Alright, so, what kind of fruit is this? That's an apple. Perfect. Alright, good. How about this one? Ant. Alright, good. One more time. Ant. Alright, I'm giving you 1 star. Alright, so here, let's go on to the next page. Alright, so here, we're going to review what you have learned from your past lesson. Alright, so look and say. Now, take a look on the first picture now. What is this picture? Hello. Can you wave your hands? Hello. Alright, good job. How about the second picture? What is this? Who is this? Name. Name. Alright, how about this one? How many butterflies can you see? 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, very good. Now, let's take a look on the balloon. How many balloons can you see? 6. Alright, perfect. Good job, Bobby. Your name is Bobby, right? Yes. Bobby is the older one and Ben is the youngest. Am I correct, Mommy? Okay. Oh. Alright, sorry. Bobby is the youngest and Ben is the eldest. Alright, now let's move on to the next page. Okay, so this one, you are going to compete with me. So here is your board. Okay, this is your scoreboard and this is mine now. Alright, so here, okay, do it as fast as you can. Alright, let's start. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hello, very good. Next. Timmy, very good. Next one. How many butterflies? 5. Good job. Next one. How many balloons? 6. Alright, next one. Hello. Alright, how about this? Who is this? So Ben, can you please read this one again? Okay, Bobby, let's read this one. Okay, very good. My name is Anna. Alright, so I want to give you a star for that. Alright. Yay! Okay, so now let's move on to the next page. Okay? Okay, Ben, please read this one. Okay, again, can you please repeat? How old are you?